Just as we did with arrays, we can iterate through each item in a dictionary using a for loop. So let's go ahead and say that we have a dictionary of countries and their primary languages. Okay, so we'll say let languages dictionary and this is going to be a dictionary of type string. Let's say that we've got the United States. Let's do US here. Let's say English. We've got Mexico. Primary language is Spanish. We've got France, whose primary language is French. And we've got Germany, whose primary language is German. Okay, so now I can start my for loop, right? Because I want to loop through each of these elements in my dictionary. And so we'll say for, and instead of assigning just a single variable here, I'm going to say for country, comma, language. Okay, and so when we're looping through a dictionary, we get two properties that we can assign, that we can use within our for loop. Okay, and so the first one that we put here is going to be our key, and the second one here is going to be our value. Okay, so for country, which is the key, and language, which is the value, in my languages dictionary, let's go ahead and print out in country they speak, and whatever our language is, right, using string interpolation. So now if I run this code, we can see in in the United States, they speak English. In Mexico, they speak Spanish, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I want to give you a challenge now so that you can practice using this. I want you to iterate through your friend's dictionary and print out where each of your friends lives, including their name and the state or country that you assigned to them. Okay, so you would maybe have something like Jimmy lives in California. Okay, so go ahead and do that and come back and we'll go through it together. Okay, so we've got our friends dictionary. Let's see how it's doing so far. So friends location dictionary. So right now we've got 3 values inside of it, which is fine. So now we're going to say for, and we've got our friend, which is the key, and we have their location, which is the value, in my friend's location dictionary. Let's print out the friend's name lives in the location. Okay, and we'll run this code. And we can see that we can loop through each of those elements and construct a sentence for the friend's name as well as their location. So we've got Jimmy lives in New York, and Steve lives in Colorado.